I'd like to share with you the top 5 common mistakes when creating a harmony and balanced environment. Number 1. Poor airflow quality, which means inadequate ventilation or airflow. This will create unhealthy energy and bring the negative impact on health or well-being. Number 2. Disorganization and clutter. This will create the stagnant energy and block the flow of the positive energy in this space. Therefore, people feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Number 3. Poor lighting, which means that inadequate lighting. This will create gloomy and down atmosphere. And people who are using this place, this will decrease the productivity and energy level. For the fourth common mistake is using the sharp angle or edge. This will create the negative energy. Some people call it as the star chi, and this may lead to the financial problem or health problem. Last common mistake is unbalanced or uneven layout. Poorly layout with a furniture placed randomly, this will block the energy flow. Therefore, this will create uneven or unbalanced energy flow in this place. And that's it for today's TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you learned something new. Should you need a consult to create a harmony and balanced space, feel free to contact me via TikTok or Facebook. And don't forget to follow me for more tips and advice.